Everyone is talking about how the TikTok creativity program has become a game changer, helping them earn thousands of dollars. But there's a catch. Your niche and your viewers' engagement rate are crucial to your earnings. Like YouTube, TikTok has its own RPM, which determines how much you get paid for every 1,000 views. In this video, I will share a proven formula to help you build and grow a profitable TikTok account. If you are serious about making money with this program, it is crucial to avoid common mistakes. By the end of this video, I'll reveal these mistakes that could get you kicked out of the program. So the first crucial step is picking a niche that's been proven to work for TikTok. One of the most successful niches is testing your knowledge through quizzes, which challenge the viewers to answer fun and engaging questions. Just look at these accounts that post videos on general knowledge and science. Their videos are getting millions of views, and the engagement rate is very high for this niche, which proves this niche is excellent for TikTok. As I browsed the videos of these accounts, I noticed that one of the most popular topics is guessing the flags of different countries. These videos have millions of views, which means it's a popular topic that people find fun and challenging. So for today's tutorial, I will walk you through step by step how to create one of these videos. Here is an example of what we are going to make.
Which country flag is this? Japan. Which country flag is this? Australia.
First, let's quickly go through the requirements. You must be at least 18 years old. You need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. You should get 100,000 views within 30 days. You must create high-quality videos that are over 1 minute long. It may sound challenging, but don't worry. You can reach these goals in less than 2 weeks with the proven formula I will share in this video. First, we need to pick a name for our TikTok account. I'll go to namelicks.com and pick a name. Enter a keyword, follow the steps, and it will generate short, memorable, and unique names. Next, I need to create a profile picture for the TikTok account. To create the picture, you can use ChatGPT 4 if you have a Plus subscription. If you don't, the best free alternative is Bing AI. For some of you who might not know, ChatGPT 4 and Bing AI both use DALL-E 3 to create the images. Bing AI gives you free access through the Microsoft Bing browser. So I'll go to bing.com and click on Copilot at the top of the page. It will open a new window. Now select Creative and type in your prompt. I put the prompt in the video description. It will generate 4 images. Download the one you like. Another way is to go to bing.com/images. and type in your prompt in the box. Download the one you like. Next, I'll go to ChatGPT, give the following prompt, and hit generate. One of the crucial steps of creating these videos is giving the right and detailed prompt to ChatGPT to make it easier and faster to create these videos in bulk. I put the prompt in the description of the video, feel free to use it. Next, head over to Canva, click on Video, and select TikTok Video. Now, on the side panel, click on the Video tab. Look for a background video. Feel free to choose whatever video background that suits your style. I will set the duration of each quiz to 10 seconds, which is enough time for one quiz. Remember, for the TikTok creativity program, we'll need each video to be longer than 1 minute. So, we'll need to include at least 7 quizzes in each video. Now go to the text, select one of them, and place it on top. I'll name it Guess the Flag. I'll add one more and name it Hint. Now, we need to add a couple more text layers for the 3 possible answers and the correct answer. Rename it to match our table. You can also add effects. Go to Effects and play with them to see which one you like. Next, we'll look at our table. The first country on the table is Japan. Go back to Canva. Go to Elements and search for the Japanese flag. Drag it and place it on in the middle of our design. Let's change the color of the answer to green. Now, we'll add a timer bar just like our video reference. Go to Elements on the left and grab a rounded rectangle. I'll decrease its height to make it look more like a bar. I'll also change the color to yellow. I think it looks good. Now go to Animation on top and select Wipe. Then we need to decrease the speed. Now, if I play the video, you can see all the elements appear at the same time, so we need to adjust the timing for each element. We want all 3 options to appear at the same time. Select all 3, right-click, and click on Show Timing. We want them to appear shortly after the video starts playing and disappear before the correct answer appears. We want the correct answer to appear after the timer bar disappears. Finally, we want the timer bar to fade out before the correct answer appears. Let's see how it looks so far. Now I'd like to make the answer a little bigger and place it in the middle of the page. Now the last step is adding some sound effects. For the sound effects, go to Elements, select Audio, and search for Baseball Bat Swing. Now I'll go to the timeline and move the playhead to where my answers appear. Then drag the sound and drop it where the questions pop up. We'll do the same for the timer bar. I'll move the playhead to where the timer starts and go to Audio search for Clock Tick-Tock. Drag and drop it, and it should stop where the timer disappears. For the answer, I search for Bell Ring Idea. Drag and drop it where the answer appears. Alright, let's see how it looks so far. Alright, now we need to download the sound effects because Canva's bulk create feature has a limitation. It does not automatically duplicate the audio tracks. To work around this, you can remove the text layer and download the template with only the sound effects. Now go to the top of the screen, click on the undo arrow or hold Ctrl on your keyboard and press Z to undo. Drag the video we've downloaded and drop it. Now right-click, go to Layers and select Send to Back. Here is what it looks like. Now the next step is to create bulk videos. On the side panel, go to Apps and search for Bulk Creation. Click on Enter Data Manually, and it opens a table format. That's why we asked ChatGPT to give us the data in a table format, so we can enter it here easily. Click on Clear Data and delete all the data in the table. Then I'll go back to our table in ChatGPT, copy the table, including the headings, go back to Canva, and click where you see the letter T and paste the data into the table. Click on Done to save it. Now we need to connect the data from the table to each corresponding element of the design. Right-click on the element, then click on Connect Data. We need to do it for all the elements of design one by one. Click on Continue and generate designs. Now, we need to make some changes to enhance each video. Some of the elements are overlapped, and we need to fix it so they won't cover each other. I'll adjust the text size so it fits perfectly within the frame. Then we need to change the flag for each video. Go to Elements on the side panel, search for the flags, and place it on the design. Feel free to make any other adjustments you'd like to enhance your design. Once you've customized all the videos, click on the Share button, then Download, and make sure you check the box to download the videos as separate files. The reason for downloading the videos separately is that we want to add some effects between videos later in the editing step. The next step is the voiceover. Go to 11 Labs, pick a voice, and type in, "Which country flag is this?" and download it. Also, we need a voiceover for the answer. The answer is Japan, or simply Japan, and download it. Just like this, create a voiceover for all 10 videos. Next, we're going to use CapCut for editing the video. It's a free tool, very user-friendly and owned by TikTok. That's why it's the best video editing tool for TikTok. Import the videos and the voiceover we've created and click on the plus sign to add them to the timeline. The ratio has been automatically selected 9:16 for TikTok videos after importing the videos. If it hasn't, you need to change it to 9:16. Make sure the videos have been added in order. I'll remove the audio tracks so I can add them one by one. I'll click on the plus sign to add the voiceover for the question at the beginning of each clip. I'll do the same for the answer. I'll drag the voiceover for the answer and drop it on the timeline when the answer appears. You can move the playhead to help you see where the answer appears. I'll do it for all the clips. I fast-forwarded it to keep the tutorial short. Now we'll add transitions to make it more engaging. Go to the Transitions tab and search for the one that is suitable for my design. I think the pull-in transition works well. I move the playhead and place it where I want to add the transitions. Click on the plus sign to add it, and I will add it to all the clips. Alright, we are almost done. We don't need to apply effects since the clips are too short and the transition is good enough. We don't even need captions for quiz videos. Let's see how it turned out.
Which country flag is this? Japan. Which country flag is this? Australia. Which country flag is this? France. Which country flag is this? Egypt. Which country flag is this? Canada. Which country flag is this? India. Which country flag is this? Brazil. Which country flag is this? Germany. Which country flag is this? Singapore. Which country flag is this? Denmark.
It's perfect. Just click on Export and download it to your device. Your video is ready to be uploaded on TikTok. Now that we've created our video, I would like to share with you a 7-step proven formula for success in the creativity program, along with the common mistakes you should avoid. Choose a niche that appeals to a broad yet specific audience. When you create a new TikTok account for the creativity program, do not post anything for at least 2 days. Instead, start scrolling and engaging with other posts so the algorithm can verify that you are a real person, not a robot. After posting your first video, wait a couple of hours and post another one. The idea is to upload 2 to 3 videos a day, with each video being posted a few hours after the previous one. Use the same sound and hashtags as your competitors. This is a smart way to help your videos go viral. TikTok algorithm pays attention to the viral sounds. Use a keyword-rich description. This helps TikTok to categorize your video and show it to the right audience. For example, if your video is about a quiz on geography, you can write something like, "How well do you know the world?" Take this quiz and find out. Avoid reposting content from podcasts and streaming platforms. Even if you make significant edits to make it unique, the RPM for reposting podcasts is very low, and it's not worth your time. Remember this: the higher the RPM, the sooner you can make a bank. Stick to the formula. You probably don't go viral on your first video, but if you keep uploading and keep improving something with each new upload, you will go viral. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something from this video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This motivates me to keep creating valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.